Cheers! Welcome to the Cabin Cruiser Boating Adventure. One of the things I'm looking forward to when we can eventually take the boats out again after lockdown is enjoying a nice pint and a meal at a canal or riverside pub. You really can't beat it. In this video, I'm going to review a product that I've used a few times on the boat. We're going to go for a walk down the Trent and Mersey Canal at Swarkston. But first of all, I'm going to take the dog to the beach. So, come and join us.
Sandy, walkies. Do you have any idea how cold it is? Isle of Walney lies off the southwest coast of Cumbria in the Irish Sea. It is 11 miles long from north to south, but never more than 1 mile wide from east to west, which splits at either side. The channel separating it from Great Britain's mainland is also narrow and named Walney Channel. The northern portion of the channel opens into the Duddon estuary and is both narrower and shallower at low tide. It is passable on foot with stepping stones known locally as Widow's Crossing, assisting pedestrians. The southern half of the channel is wider and is regularly dredged to allow shipping to access the port of Barrow. This opens into Morecambe Bay and includes a number of smaller islands. It has a fantastic secluded beach backed by dunes. The product that I want to review is Waterside. This is something that I always keep on the boat because it's very handy for filling in small holes. I carried out a small repair to the bow of the boat because we had been taking in a small amount of water on our trip up and down the River Trent. In order to do this, I used Waterside, which is an epoxy resin which is very easily administered. You apply it like a putty. You can even apply it in water and then it dries very, very hard. I usually send for it from Amazon and I'll leave a link in the description below.
Sunday the 7th of February 2021, and we've come to Swarkston Lock number 5, and we're just going to take a walk down the Trent and Mersey Canal just for a little walk and some exercise and see what we can find out. It is extremely cold today, and there is the odd flurry of snow. This is the Derby Arm here at Swarkston, but so far only goes to that bridge in the distance there. This building that can be seen from the towpath is known as the Stand or the Swarkston Pavilion. It was built to give a grandstand view of whatever went on in the enclosure in front of it. Suggestions range from the romantic jousting and the rough bear baiting to the more prosaic bowls. It is thought that the latter most likely because there is evidence of a payment in 1632 for a bowl alley house. It was built by mason Richard Shepherd, but its design has been attributed to John Smithson, one of our first true architects and son of Robert Smithson, who built many notable houses in the Elizabethan era. The pavilion belonged to Swarkston Hall, a great house demolished by 1750. The pavilion survived thanks to the Harper Crewe family of Cork. It was once a shell without a roof or floors, but is now restored to a one-bedroom holiday let. To get to the bathroom, you have to flit across the roof from one turret to the other.
Never hit the ground.
From here we get a better view of the Swarkston Pavilion. It has featured in its pre-restoration state on the cover of a Rolling Stones album, Beggar Banquet, in 1968. Due to YouTube copyright restrictions, I'm unable to use any of their music, so this one is called Running This World by Sven Carlson.
I've been running this world without you, with no other at all, one way to fall, living this nightmare.
We've had a slight change of plan today. We were going to walk westwards towards Stenson, but we turned round because the towpath was so muddy, and so we've started to walk eastwards towards Shardlow. There is quite a biting wind at the moment, so I don't know how far we'll get before we are forced to turn round.
So I hope you enjoyed that video. Please hit the subscription button, which is on the bottom right hand corner of your mobile phone or tablet and is displayed throughout my videos. Please hit the bell icon on the channel homepage and you'll be notified by YouTube each time I release a new video. Please give us a thumbs up and make any comments below, as I do enjoy reading them and I will respond to each and every one of them. So thank you for watching and do take care.
No beer was harmed in the making of this video. It was all drunk.